Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to manage storage and free up space on your VIVO Y21D. First, let's open Devices Settings. Then scroll down to RAM and Storage menu. In this menu, you'll be able to check how much storage is occupied, and you'll also be able to check the different categories and how much storage they occupy on your smartphone. If you want to free up storage, you can either go into one of these categories and select the applications that you want to remove, or if you want to just quickly clean up your smartphone, you can go to Manage Storage. This will open the Space Cleanup application, where you'll be able to quickly remove all the excessive data with one tap like this. And you can also go to some additional cleanup and delete some applications that you don't need from your smartphone. Just like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.